So, alright, guys, welcome to this particular course, which is just a single and focused course. Now, this is what we are going to be using this particular location changer. Now, I want to start with this location changer. This is what you're using. We are starting with this location changer. So, we are using this location changer because we will be turning on our location, but it's going to change our location for us. So, you need to go to your Play Store, or yes, go to your Play Store and download this particular location changer. This is the icon right here. So, once you download it, this is what you're going to be getting. So let's keep this. Now the first thing you want to do is to come down to your search bar. You can come here to type any country of your choice. So you can see I just inserted London, so I'll click on search right here. Okay, so once I click on search, you come down right here and click on start. Okay, so it's going to ask you your location needs to be enabled. Your location changer needs to be enabled for your location to work. So you just click on yes. Okay, then you come down and tap this on. Now the next thing you want to do is to come down to your device. So right now the next thing you want to do is to come to your settings. Go to your phone. You are going to be seeing about now. Okay, you are going to be seeing about phone. Click on about phone right here. Now your iOS, you're going to be tapping on it 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can see my saying no need, you're already a developer. So you need to tap this 7 times for you to be a developer. Now after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to come down, go back to where you can see additional settings. Okay, now when you come to additional settings, now once you click on additional settings, scroll down to where you can see developer option. Make sure it is turned on. Okay, make sure this developer option is turned on. Then that is all, you are good to go. Make sure developer option is turned on. Then once it's turned on, then you can now go back to your location changer. Then you are going to be activating your location changer. This is how you're going to be activating it. Click on start right here. So right here you can see you would like to remove ads for 24 hours. Watch this short ad until the end. Removing ads will make the app load faster. So you are going to be clicking on show reg ads because you're actually watching this ad, so you can be enabled to use this location changer for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours you will need to do the same thing to get access to the location changer for 24 hours. So we are going to be watching ads now. I'm going to click on show reg ads. Why let your Now the ads is over. You can see now that it's actually activated. You can see right here that we have the UK location right here. So this is actually on stop. You can see that. So it's already on like this. All right, now if you are actually finding the setup I did, the process I showed you about coming to about phone and coming right to your iOS and tapping it 7 times, you can go over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT how you can enable mock location on your own device. Just type that, how can I enable mock location on my device? Then you put the name of your device there. Then ChatGPT is going to tell you the process you can use to activate your mock, to enable your mock location on your account. So right now we are already on United Kingdom. So the next thing you want to do is to go over to your proxy and you connect to your proxy. Okay, connect to United Kingdom or United States depending on the location changer, depending on the location changer you've actually chosen. So that is that for that. Then the next thing you want to do is to go over to your browser. Now we are safe to go into this particular app. Now we are safe to go into this particular survey. So you already know the name. It is called Atapo. Okay, so but we are going to be typing n.atapo.app to have access to it. This particular survey actually restricts a lot of people from having access to it. So this method I just showed you is the only method you can use to have access to it, and there are lots of service, tons of service that you can start on this particular Atapo. All right, so right now I'm going to be logging in and I'm going to be showing you how it works. So you get invitation via email. So once you put in your email, this is what you're going to be getting. So you need to go over to your email, to click on your email. Through your email, that is when you're going to be logging into this particular survey. So now you can see the email we got. So we are going to tap on it. Then you're going to be seeing sign in to Atapo. Okay, so click on that. So that is what is going to redirect you to your login. So you just need to hold on. You need to be signing in through the email. All right, so that is that. For that, you're going to be seeing I'm going to be logged into my account now. Very simple and very straightforward. You're directly going into the app and start surveys. Now there is a minimum threshold you can get to. Every day you can actually get that, and you can get that in a minute depending on how active you are on this particular platform. It is user friendly and it's very easy to have access to. So right here you can see my balance. You can see what I have right here. So you can see there are tons of surveys that you can do right on this platform. So that is that. For that, you can see the one of 15 minutes, 11 minutes, 18 minutes. Just go ahead to complete it, and once you get to about 2.50 pounds, you are going to be withdrawing. That's about 4 to 5,000 naira. So you can see that it is very simple. The main thing you just have to do on your phone is that make sure you follow the process I showed while using your changer. Okay, your app changer. Just make sure you follow the process and do the normal setup, then connect to your proxy. Now your location is on and you're not being detected because of your location changer. Because your location changer is on and you're actually using location changer, you are not being detected. You can go ahead to take any of these survey right here. You can see this one is 8 minutes, this one is 1 minute. So let's say we want to go for this particular one, which is 1 minute. Let me click on it now so I can show you. So it's actually loading. So just hold on. I think the network is not that good. So let's just hold on. So it's loading now. So this particular one is not going to take our time. That is why I want to take it. So right here we are asked to insert our full postal code. So right on this interface we are going to be putting in our postal code. Let me say we are going with this. We are going with this. Okay, so this is the postal code I'll be using. So click on next. So what are the 3 things you like in your favorite animal? Just come right here and say I like the body shape. I like the body shape. Just put in anything. I like the body shape, the pet name, and just be detailed enough, and some other things. Okay, then click on next. Okay, which of the following streaming service are you currently subscribed to? You can pick Amazon, and you can pick this Fun TV also. So let's click on next. So please type the following code in text. So we are going to type this. Okay, click on next. Okay, please drag and drop the number 46 into the square box. So this is 46. Okay, so click on next. Okay, please drag. Okay, that's all. So let's see. So this particular survey is very simple. Every week you can be accumulating a lot of pounds for yourself. So let's just hold on. They'll be adding up your points. Now, from Atapo, we're directed to the company side to answer this surveys. Now, they'll be directing us back to Atapo because we are done with this particular survey, and they'll be giving us our points. Okay, so right now you're going to be seeing the additional points that will be assigned to us. So you can keep on answering questions depending on the one you want to go for. So it's actually redirecting you. Remember I said you'll be taken to a particular platform, a particular company site to work on before you can be rewarded. You can say thank you, we are updating your balance. So right now they are actually updating my balance. So you can see my balance has been updated. So you can go ahead to take any surveys right here. So once you meet any of these, once you meet the withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw. Now when you come down to wallets, you can see that this circle is actually coming. So once it's reached here, you can go ahead to click on cash out. Now once you click on cash out, you can cash out through PayPal. As you can see, there are tons of gift cards you can also use to withdraw from this platform. So it is very user friendly and very easy. Now when you come down to invite, you can see your invitation code which you can use to refer your friends. Okay, make sure anyone you're inviting to this platform is connected to a particular proxy. Okay, so right now you can see the dashboard. This is how it looks like. So once you come over to end, you can go ahead to take this survey. It is free and user friendly. It's very simple and straightforward. So good luck and always keep winning.